Hello everyone and welcome to soundproofguide.com. In this video I'll talk about the best and the quietest dehumidifiers for your basement, and also what to consider when buying a quiet dehumidifier. If you're finding that your dehumidifier is quite noisy, then just roll it out right to the trash, and let's begin with our number one quiet dehumidifier on our list from Keystone. If you're looking for the very best quiet dehumidifier that money can buy, you probably can't do better than this Keystone, which checks almost every box. It's a smooth operator that stays whisper silent even when turned on to the max. 48.1 decibels is the loudest noise output it has recorded, which makes it second most silent dehumidifier that will appear on this list. But it's not just its silence that makes it the perfect dehumidifier for any basement. Its performance and ease of use is also something to be admired. Without any former experience or technical knowledge, you can easily install this Keystone and program its settings with its user-friendly electronic control. Maintenance is also a breeze thanks to the forethought of the designers to install an easily accessible slide-out filter. Just pull it out, toss out the dust, slide it back in, and you're good to go. And if you're one of those who tend to forget to water their plants, not to worry. This dehumidifier comes with a clean filter alert system that reminds you when it's time to clean out the air filter. When it comes to moisture removal, this Keystone takes no prisoners. Its high efficiency moisture removal mechanism will get rid of any dampness and humidity that might be ruining your basement. The only thing about this Keystone that might make you hesitate is its price tag. This baby goes for anywhere between $170 and $190, but it's worth it. Despite its unassuming size, this Keystone is capable of removing up to 70 pints of moisture from your basement within 24 hours. That's probably more water than you use to shower in one day. Another great thing about this quiet dehumidifier's efficiency is it can effectively service a room of up to 4,500 square feet. That's bigger than most people's homes, much less their basement. Other noteworthy features of this dehumidifier are it gives you the power to choose your preferred humidity level for a room, anywhere between 35 and 45%. It's energy efficient, consuming about 720 watts during operation. Caster's wheels so you can conveniently change its location. Small size, about 23 inches tall and 15 inches wide, so it doesn't take up much space, even in small basement, and easy to read LED display. If you want a quality dehumidifier for your basement that's powerful, quiet, and can tame the humidity of a large room with ease, you've got to consider this Keystone dehumidifier. If you're considering purchasing this dehumidifier, follow the link in the description below for the current Amazon price. Just a quick pause, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll make sure to try to answer all of them. Thank you. The second quiet portable dehumidifier on our list is the Hysure 2000 milliliter unit. If the Keystone was whisper silent, the Hysure 2000 milliliter quiet portable dehumidifier is ghost silent. It produces only 33 decibels of sound when turned on, which means you'll probably not even know it's there. While the manufacturer of the Hysure 2000 milliliter were clearly fixated on silence, they certainly didn't skimp on performance. This stealthy dehumidifier can effectively dehumidify a room of 215 square feet with ease. Clearly not as much ground as the Keystone, but to be honest, how big is your basement? Leave this quiet dehumidifier running for 24 hours and it will suck out up to 750 milliliters of excess humidity from your basement's atmosphere. It also comes with a water reservoir that can contain 2,000 milliliters of liquid, which means that you only need to pump it every 3 to 4 days, depending on how long it runs for each day. And if you forget to dump the reservoir, no worries. There's an inbuilt system that alerts you via an LED indicator when the tank is filled. Since the Hysure is not as powerful as the Keystone, it is more energy efficient and consumes only 40 watts of power when running, which means a less intimidating energy bill. If you're looking for more incentive to buy this product, there's a 2-year warranty for parts and labor and 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't think it's quiet enough for you. Want the quietest dehumidifier on the market that doesn't compromise on performance and quality? You you probably can't do better than the Hysure 2000 milliliter. And with a price tag of around $80 to $90, it's definitely worth buying. And the final quiet dehumidifier on our list comes from Frigidaire. Just the name Frigidaire already promises good things. Mind you, this dehumidifier, at time of producing this video, is one of the top quiet selling dehumidifier on Amazon, and for good reason. It might not be as quiet as the Hysure 2000 milliliter or the Keystone, but it is also quiet at 48.8 decibels. But when it comes to moisture removal, this Frigidaire dehumidifier trumps the Hysure and confidently goes toe-to-toe with the Keystone. It can collect up to 70 pints of water in 24 hours and goes further by also targeting bacteria in the air. It also features 3 variable speeds that allow you to achieve your desired level of moisture as you please. And not to worry, each speed setting is just as silent as the last. The antibacterial features of this Frigidaire really gives it an edge over other top dehumidifiers for basements. It involves an antibacterial mesh that eradicates any bacteria and other impurities that's sucked from your basement's atmosphere. This means you not only get to breathe drier air in your basement, but also healthier air. It also features a user-friendly display and controls. There's also a space-wise feature which can monitor a room and automatically adjust the dehumidifier setting for optimal performance. And to make sure you don't make a mess, there's a warning system that alerts you when the water tank is close to full. If you are a fan of convenience, you can simply permanently connect the tank to a drain and it will automatically empty itself. The power of this quiet Frigidaire dehumidifier makes it suitable for basements as large as 2,500 to 4,000 square feet, which makes it as powerful as the Keystone. So this certainly is a smart buy. So there you have it, our top 3 of the quietest dehumidifiers that you can buy today. If you're still not satisfied, go visit our website at soundproofguide.com. I'll have a link below in the description of our full article of the top 5 quietest dehumidifiers that you can buy. I hope you found this information very helpful in your search for the quietest dehumidifier for your basement. Thank you very much for watching. Consider leaving a like to our video and subscribing to our channel. And also, don't hesitate to ask us any questions in the comment section below. I will make sure to try my best to answer them. Thank you very much.